Your dog is gonna give you three things. They're gonna give you love, happiness, and a whole bunch of pet hair. And the way that I keep that hair off my fur babies from making it to the floor, I actually use the Geoorood pet vacuum system. And this is the 9-in-1. It has a blow dryer and vacuum. It has all these different attachments that I use to make sure that my fur baby stays nice and clean. You guys can grab this up. The link's gonna be at the bottom, but it's gonna have a de-shedding brush. It's gonna have clippers. It's gonna have a lint roller. It's gonna have a paw trimmer. All of it collects all that hair into your hose. That all you're gonna have to do is take that container and dump out. It's gonna make everything so much easier and so much quicker. You're going to be spending about 10-15 minutes at the most having to clean up your pets. And again, this is going to make sure that your fur baby stays nice and pretty and your house stays nice and clean. So again, I'll leave the link down below. Make sure you grab yours. It's at a great price right now.